How to set export in JPG in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the settings to JPG. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this content option. Simply tap on content. Now on the top, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on settings. Now here in the settings interface, here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called export in .jpg. So simply tap on export in JPG. Now this will automatically save all your photos and the edited ones into a JPG file. So it's according to the preference that you want to select, because in many cases JPG will be in a very shorter or have less size value. So if you go back, it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.